Meta finally learned their lesson. Oculus Quest Pro. The future has just moved closer to the present.
Mark Zuckerberg joined leaders from Meta's Reality Labs and a few special guests at MetaConnect to showcase our progress.
And how the Metaverse is a reality. We celebrated MetaQuest 2's incredible success, discussed how virtual reality is becoming more social, and showcased fitness, gaming, and work innovations. They also unveiled MetaQuest Pro, a game-changing device that brings about the physical and digital worlds closer together. So let's dive into this video to learn about Oculus Quest Pro and subscribe for more. Here we begin. In recent years, it's been revealed that there are a few details about the next VR device, Project Cambria. They are dropping the codename and releasing MetaQuest Pro today. The high-end headset will go on sale from October 21st for US $149.99. MetaQuest Pro can be pre-ordered at meta.com. The MetaQuest Pro is the first in a new line of advanced headsets designed to broaden the capabilities of virtual and mixed reality. Its pancake lenses fold over several times, reducing headset size while providing sharper visuals. In addition, a new curved battery on the back contributes to the MetaQuest Pro being a more balanced and ergonomic headset in general. MetaQuest Pro is the first full-color mixed reality device from Meta, thanks to the high-resolution outward-facing cameras that capture 4 times as many pixels as the MetaQuest 2. Consider the possibilities once the physical and digital worlds can interact without you craning your neck to look down at your phone. It's also the first headset that's been created with inward-facing sensors for natural-facing expressions and eye tracking. Raising a brow, smiling, or simply making eye contact will cause your avatar to do the same. All of this contributes to increased social presence, the sense that you are right there with someone no matter where you are in the world. Design and fit. Meta cleverly used a curved battery built into the back of the headset to balance the trade-off between power and fit, eliminating the need for wires or a belt-mounted power cell. While that's combined with a soft forehead cushion and a handy dial for adjusting the headband, you get a headset that's a breeze to put on and take off. Further adjustments are available via a small dial in the front that adjusts lens distance, while IPD is adjusted by simply moving each eyepiece left and right as needed. When it comes to sound, some speakers support spatial audio built into the arms of the headset, as well as a 3.5mm jack if you prefer to use your own headphones. New partnerships to advance the future of work. MetaQuest Pro was created with productivity in mind, and will be a significant upgrade from those who use virtual reality as a tool for work, but hardware is only one component of the equation. People are committed to developing and supporting software that enhances the way you work. Microsoft Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella joined Mark in announcing a new collaboration that will bring powerful new work and productivity tools to MetaQuest Pro and MetaQuest 2 next year, including apps from Microsoft Windows 365 and Microsoft Teams, as well as the ability to join a Teams meeting from within Meta Horizon workrooms. New social experiences in VR and beyond. When MetaQuest 2 first came out 2 years ago, most people spent their time in VR alone. The majority of time is now spent on multiplayer and social apps. We announced today that we are working on Meta Horizon Worlds for the web, so you can eventually pick up your phone or laptop and visit friends in VR and vice versa. It was also revealed that new social innovations are being developed with the YouTube VR team. The next generation of Meta avatars has been teased, which will be more expressive and detailed, including full-body avatars in VR, which will debut in Meta Horizon Worlds. Aside from VR, avatars are being introduced to video chat, beginning with Messenger and WhatsApp, so you can express yourself and react without having to turn your camera on. Reality Labs research updates. Aside from everything that was announced today, research updates on the foundational technologies for future devices in the metaverse, such as efforts to create a more intuitive, human-centered interface using artificial intelligence and electromyography, Project Aria and the collaboration with Carnegie Mellon University to assist people with visual impairments navigate their indoor environments better. In the metaverse, 2 technologies are used to create and manipulate 3D objects: neural radiance fields and inverse rendering. Photorealistic codec avatars with more robust facial expressions, as well as instant codec avatars that are quicker and easier to create. With Reality Labs, Meta is creating a new computing platform centered on people, connections, and meaningful relationships. General performance in apps. The real magic happens when hardware meets software, and the Quest Pro offers some pretty impressive performance right out of the gate. The optics of the headset are sharp, with almost no evidence of the screen door effect. The text is also very legible, and it was no difficulty writing a portion of this review in VR. Support for spatial audio, on the other hand, makes working in VR feel less like floating in a simulation and more like actually working in an office with someone else. Furthermore, many tentpole features, such as Meta's scene understanding, are just kind of work, at least most of the time. For example, we discovered that the Quest Pro was pretty good at automatically detecting the positions of walls and floors, so it didn't have to redraw the boundaries for room-scale guardians. It also detects and remembers some objects, such as the desk, making it easier to set up a virtual workspace that mimics what we have in real life. The full color pass-through on the Quest Pro is also quite impressive. Don't get me wrong, it still needs to be better than navigating meat space with your eyes, but it's accurate enough to walk from room to get a glass of water without having to remove the Quest Pro or bump into anything. We had a lot of fun positioning blocks to solve three-dimensional puzzles and apps like Cubism, and got to live out the childhood fantasy of being a secret agent and I Expect You to Die. In Tribe XR, we were able to learn the fundamentals of mixing and beat matching while virtually using the same equipment as professional DJs. That brings us to the main issue with the Quest Pro. Only some optimized apps take full advantage of its upgraded capabilities. While important stuff like Slack is supposedly on the way, there needs to be more support for messaging software like WhatsApp for traditional 2D apps. So, things can feel a little disconnected if you're like us and don't use Instagram or Facebook Messenger frequently. Perhaps more telling is how few apps are currently available in the Quest Pro section of the store. This is to be expected, as developers will need to take some time to figure out the advantages of the new Quest Pro features. The headset feels similar to the Nintendo Switch at launch, but without a tentpole gamer app to pair it, such as Breath of the Wild. Yes, you can use all of the old Quest apps because the Pro is fully backward compatible with existing software. But when you spend $1,500 on a VR headset, you want to be able to lose yourself in it for the next month or more. So what do you think about Meta and the Oculus Quest Pro? Let us know in the comments below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!